going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. I hope all y'all are having a great day. Today is gonna be a little bit different by the title and by the thumbnail. You guys already know what we're here to talk about. If y'all are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, and join the sneaker dungeon family. We on that race to 10K. Appreciate all the love and support. It does not go unnoticed. I love each and every one of y'all. And please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And with that being said, let's get straight into it. I'm not a big Funko Pop collector. Now, y'all see I got this little Marvel pop thing. Yeah, I got a pop. So this Saturday, the Michael Jordan exclusive FOOTLOCKER Funko Pop is going to be releasing. And I'm just wanting to let you all know and give y'all a heads up because a lot of people might not know. I know I didn't know, and I just found out today. So I thought that I would just share and give you and let you all know like what's going on and how you can copy. It is a FOOTLOCKER exclusive. So first things first, you know, if you have the app, you can check it on the app. I myself checked on my app and it didn't pop up on there, but I went online and I typed in my zip code and it popped up as it was going to be coming in the store. First come, first serve. And I called up to the store to make sure at some of the locations that said that they were going to have them, to make sure that they were going to have them. Now, y'all, I don't know how limited this is going to be, but we all see how the Funko Pops go, and we know how people are. Me personally, for collector purposes, y'all know I love Jordans, so I want the Jordan Funko Pop. Like, duh. So that is why I'm just letting y'all know. It's not going to be a long video. This video is just short to let you all know because I just wanted to give y'all a little news, and let y'all know if y'all did not know that this was releasing. I will have a video dropping tomorrow. I have a dope unboxing coming. I know we normally talk sneakers, but today, you know, I'm going to be honest, I had a video laid out, but I'm probably going to push that video to the left because I still have some more editing to do to it. I do have an unboxing for y'all coming. I'll probably drop the unboxing before the other video because I think the unboxing is a little bit doper. But that's just my personal, I like opening up my boxes, and I know that when this box comes in, because this box is coming in tomorrow, I'm going to want to drop that video, y'all. So I'm not going to lie to you and be like, oh, we're going to hold it. So no, I'll probably drop the unboxing tomorrow and then move that next video to Friday. So with that being said, y'all, I have a question for y'all. Are y'all going after this Funko Pop? I think Michael Jordan is the best to ever play the game. You know, it is what it is, but everybody has their opinion and their value to that. That's what makes people human. So people can agree to disagree, and life goes on. But if y'all are planning on copping this, drop it down below and let me know. I know I looked on eBay and right now some of them are going for like $70, but you know, if I cop, I'm not reselling it or nothing. It's gonna be sitting right here. I'll have one on this side, one on that side, or I don't know how I'm gonna do it because I already got Miles Morales up there. But I copped this Miles Morales strictly because it had Jordans on them. Like literally, y'all. He has the retro ones on, and you know, they dropped the Origin of Spider-Man retro one, so I picked this up simply just for collector purpose, just because he had it on there, and I thought it was dope that he had the retro ones on. Why not? But it's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, man. Just a quick little video just to ask you all, do y'all plan on copping this Funko Pop? How do you all feel about Pops? For real, what is the big deal with Pops, y'all? I really want to know, what is the big deal with Funko Pops, or Pops? This just says Pops on it. Is there a difference between the Funko Pops and the Pops? I don't know, y'all. I'm just telling y'all that I know that Michael Jordan is dropping this Saturday. And I think for a suggested retail sticker of $13, y'all. If you got coupons, check your FOOTLOCKER. You might be able to use your coupon on it. If you got like a $15 or $20 coupon, you might be able to use it, you know, add some cleaner or something or some socks and then get it. But I don't get what the hype is about these. But I mean, they are pretty dope just for collector purposes. But it's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, y'all. Appreciate the love and support. Everybody go ahead and head over to Instagram. Follow your boy at the Retro Wiz Kid. Head over to Twitter. Follow your boy at Wiz_Retro. You can find me over on Facebook. You can like the Facebook page at the Retro Wiz Kid. Same thing as Instagram. Same thing as the YouTube channel. I love each and every one of y'all. And y'all let me know below if y'all plan on picking up the Michael Jordan Funko Pop. You dig?